Hi guys and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new blog post 10, and in this blog post I'm going to give you a brief introduction about like how you can create a simple uh, report in the Power BI desktop. So it's just a starter session, so it will give you a glimpse about like how you can actually extract the data from a certain data source, and then you can actually utilize that data in order to showcase the report, and what kind of visualizations we will use in order to create the report. So let's start. So first of all, in order to get the data for the Power BI, we have many connections or the connectors or the data sources available. So right now I'm just going to utilize Excel data source in order to get the data. So let me showcase you the Excel file as well. So this is the Excel file in which the data is contained. I have given a name, student, uh, the sheet name. If I will have multiple sheets, that data will also be extracted out. Uh, this is a fairly simple data set. It contains only one table, it contains only 4 columns and the data in them. So it's quite simple. So let's start with the loading. So first of all, I need to import the data from the Excel. So I will click on the import from Excel and I will click on the sample file. So once I will do that, the data will be picked up and it will create the name of uh, the sheet as a table. So it is giving the student as a table name. So once I will click on it, I will have this data available to be proceed with. So right here, I can actually do two things. I can actually load the data into the Power BI data set, or I can actually transform the data. And after that, I will load that data into the data set. So right now, for the fair simplicity, I am just clicking on the load, and once the data will be loaded, it will let me know that I can actually play around with it. So how do I know that the data is it is loaded? So you see on the left side, there is a bar. It contains three icons: report, the second icon contains data, and then the model. So if I click on the data, I will have my data set. I will have my table available. So if I will have multiple tables on under the fields section, I will contain this section will contain multiple tables, and through those tables I can actually see what kind of fields are actually available. So one so uh, so right now I have only one table, which is student. So the name of the table is available over here. And after that, if I would like to further manipulate the data, for example, if I would like to create a new measure by utilizing this data, or a quick measure, or a new column, or a new table from the ground. So if I would like to do something like that, I can actually do that here. It's totally my playground. So whatever I would like to do, I can do that. So right now, I'm just going to create a new column, and I'm just going to give this column name a percentage, right? So now I need to write some kind of information or the calculation in order to calculate the percentage. So right now I'm going to utilize this number column over here. So how can I actually do that? So it's fairly easy. When I will write number, so you will see that it will give you the various options that are actually provided by Power BI. So among them, you can actually see the column name, student number as well. So it means I just only need to click on this one. So it means like if you would like to utilize any other column from any other table, you just only need to give the table name and then the column name of that table. Right now, I'm just going to utilize number as in order to calculate the percentage. So I just uh, divide it by 1000 because every number is out of 1000. So this is fairly easy. And then I'm just going to click on 100. So I have just clicked on this, and as soon as I have clicked anywhere on the canvas, it has calculated the percentage, right? So this is fairly easy. But one thing that you will actually notice over here that uh, this is uh, this is fairly simple. But if I have percentages in decimals? So in order to do that, like I can actually choose a format, and I will click on the decimal number. So you can see like it's coming as 90.00, 84.00, 70.00. So it's fairly simple, right? So here you can actually play around with your data. You would, if you would like to introduce new columns, if you would like to introduce new formula data through the new formulas or any customized formulas or as per your business requirement, you can actually do that work over here. So it will give you the quick glance over the data as well, like what you are doing. It will be implemented right away, and you can actually see like what's actually happening. Another thing is like you can actually see the model, and here in the model, it gives you a simple ERD diagram about the various tables that are being utilized in your data set or the data model that are coming through. So it will give you like if there will be any relation between different tables that will be showcased over here. And here you can also play around with the data, like if you would like to transform some kind of data over here, you can do that. You can actually play around with the properties. Right now, I'm not just going over here. You can actually do a lot of things over here. But here, the main thing is like you can actually see the relation between various tables. So let's move toward our building the report. So once I have clicked on this report, I need to go to my fields section, and in the field section, you will see like my table is present and there are few fields that are actually coming up. These are the fields that are actually customizable, that are actually provided in the data model, and are the customized fields that are actually created here in the data model. We can actually utilize those anytime. So what to do with them? So what I can actually do with them is like I need to showcase uh, this data in, let's suppose, in a table. So I just only need to click on the table, and table will come up over here. So it says like select or drag fields to populate this visual. So let's suppose I just say like I would like to write all the names that are actually here, and also I would like to see their numbers. So here the name and the number is coming, and you can actually see that data in this fairly simple manner, like in a table. So it's just a click through invention right here. Like whatever you would like to do, you just only need to click on the table. You just only need to click on the column names, and they will be populated over here. So it's fairly easy. So let's suppose I would like to change uh, I would like to give this table a name, some kind of name. So what can I do is like I need to go into this format section and can actually go into the title. I will turn it on, and once I will turn it on, I can actually write some title over here. So I'm just going to write table. Sorry, I'm just going to give it a name like student numbers. So once I will do that, the name comes over here. So it's coming over here. So it's fairly simple, and you can actually utilize it as per your requirement. Now, moving into that more, for example, if I would like to create a pie chart or a donut chart, all right, I'm just going to create a donut chart. So I just click on the donut chart, and I would like to see the name and the percentages of various students. So I can actually see the name in pie chart as well, and with and the segmentation with respect to the Power BI, segmentation with respect to the data that is actually provided over here. So as you can see, it's quite fairly simple. It's just drag and drop. Now, let's suppose like I would like to see a stack bar chart. So I just only, I need, oh, sorry. I need to select a stack bar chart. So uh, I click on it, and in stack bar chart, I would like to see the age and the grade and the name as well, right? So here I am just getting this kind of information, and like age is highlighted in blue and the grade is highlighted in dark blue. So the data is being showcased over here. Now, one thing is this, like, what if my upper management asked me, like, they would like to see this data in pie chart, the same data with the same measures, and they would like to see this information in a pie chart. So what I need to do, I just only need to click on the visual, and then I just only need to click on the pie chart. So it will automatically change the information into the pie chart. So once that will be done, I can actually showcase this report. So so this is it. This is pretty much it about like how you can actually extract the data, and how you can actually uh, showcase that data into the Power BI desktop. It's a fairly simple report, but in future, I'm just going to elaborate more and more with respect to the various visuals, and with respect to various measures and the DAX expressions. So hope so you have understood the concept, and thanks for watching my video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel YasirFazal, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you should get the latest video as soon as it is uploaded. And as always, please spread the knowledge. Thank you.